Hi Draw So Cuties! Today we're going to draw my Draw So Cute unicorn girl. So let's get started. To draw this unicorn girl, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So right here, I'm just going to start and draw a very wide curve. So kind of like the bottom of a U. So I'm going to go right across, oops, right across about right there. And draw another curve right here and connect it. So it's a pretty wide curve right here. And then from there, I'm going to come up about right here towards the side, and I'm just going to give myself a point. About that high up, I'm going to start to draw a curve down for a strand of hair. I'm going to curve it a little bit, and I'm just going to aim for this area right here and curve it out. And then in this area right here, where her hair parts, I'm going to bring another curve down going this way. And about right there, I'll just finish off her hair, her head right here, and connect it. Okay, so that is the basic shape that we're aiming to start with. Then from there, let's come in here and bring her to life. So towards this edge right here, I'm going to draw a circle for her eye. And do the same thing on the other side. About right there, so towards the edge once again. There. So let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. And we come in here with two small circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so same thing on this side. Okay, so I have my eyes in. I'm going to come up here, about right here. I'm going to draw a soft curve for her brow on top of her eye. Just a soft curve. And I'm going to come right across, about right there. And just draw another one right there. Just a little indication of it. And then come down here in the center and draw a little curve for her smile. There. So we have her face in. Oh, and I almost forgot. Most important thing, let's give her some gorgeous lashes. I knew I was missing something. So I'm just going to come out here and drag out two curves. There, now it's complete, right? Okay, so now let's work on her hair. I'm going to come back right here where we ended with this strand, and I'm just going to come in and follow that line and just drag it out. And then, let's see, about right here in this area, I'm going to draw her ear. So I'm just going to bring out a curve. And let's come in here some details. So we're going to aim to do the same thing on the other side. So we won't see the top, obviously. So let's come down to about right here. And just draw a little indication of this side of the ear. And then now to draw the little headband, unicorn headband, we're going to come right to the center. We're going to go above this point, so to the center, about right here, and I'm going to start off with a little circle. So this is right in the center, and I'm going to draw my first flower. So I'm just going to make it really easy flower. Just going to randomly draw petals all the way around it. Doesn't matter how many, just however many you can fit for a very simple, maybe like a daisy. And then I'm going to come right here. So imagine your headband's at a curve. So next flower is going to be a little bit lower. So let's start about right here, and I'm going to draw a very simple rose. So So it's just kind of like wiggling it, going all the way around. And let's see here. And then let's just finish it up and wrap it up. Do a curve. So it's the same thing on this side. So just swirl and just kind of make it about the same size. There. And then now one more flower. So whatever kind of headband you draw right here with the flowers, just make sure it kind of ends where the eyes are. Don't go past that. So but right here I'm just going to add a very simple random flower just to finish it off. And it's the same thing on this side. So right there. I have no idea what this is. Just a random shape to finish it off. Okay, now the most important thing is we're going to drag the headband down. So we're going to come here and draw a curve that comes towards the ear. And let's thicken it up. So this is the band. So same thing on this side. Towards the ear. Okay, so there we have our headband with the flowers. Now let's come to the center. So I'm just going to drag my point. So this is my center circle. Drag a point, say about that high. And I'm going to draw an angle line down from my horn. And then I'm going to come in here, just give it some curves to give our horn some dimension. Okay. Then the ears, of course. So I'm going to come right next to this horn and pop out a curve, round it off a little bit, and bring it back in. Then draw the inside detail. So same thing right here. So I'm just going to come right across, about right there, and draw my other ear. Okay, so I have the ears in now. Now we can finish off her hair at the top right here. I'm going to come to the side, say about right here to give her hair some more volume. About right here, and I'm going to draw a curve down. So it's going to go across the top of her head, and same thing over here. I'm just going to bring that curve down. Just give her hair some more volume. Nope, I went too close. So about right there. Okay, so play around with it. If you think she needs a little bit more volume here, you can add this line. So it depends on how high your headband goes. Okay, so from there, let's draw her cute little outfit. I'm going to come in this area and draw her neck. So tiny little neck, bring it down for her shoulders. And right here, I'm going to draw an angle line down, kind of where her armpits would be. Let's connect this with a curve. And let's see here. Let's connect this part right here. This little outfit I made up. And give her a little sleeve right here that kind of looks like wings. I guess that's what I was aiming for. So it's 3 little curves that come in. And about right here, I'm going to connect it for the top. And come in here and give her a little band of color for her dress. And right here, I'm going to poof out her skirt. So hopefully you guys love this outfit I'm giving her. I'm going to flare it out. About right there, I'll start to bring it in. So I'm just going to draw a bunch of curves that go all the way around and meet right back up. And then in here, draw some curves. just to give it some volume. There. Okay, so then now for her hands, we're going to make it very simple since it's so complicated already. Imagine her shoulders about right here. And where it bends, I'm going to tuck it in a little bit and then come out and just tuck her hand in. So same thing on this side, shoulder, but right there where it bends, come out. And we're going to end at the same area on the other side, so about right there and out. Okay, then now her feet. So in the center right here, just draw 2 angle lines. And we're going to come about right here. So we're tapering it as we go down and make it very simple and just flare out her shoe. Continue down and connect it. And let's just give her a very simple sandal. So I'm just going to add a curve right here. And so then let's finish off her hair. I'm going to come in here and just curve it out a little bit and just wave it down. So same thing over here. And wave it down. And let's see here. And of course, because she is a Draw So Cute girl, we're going to add a little heart right here to finish it off. And that is pretty much it for this unicorn girl. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.